Welcome to you all, my readers. Today I will teach you the second chapter, that is the negative of simple present tense. So we will going to start our topics. Simple present tense. The negative structure of the simple present tense is subject, do, does, not, V1 plus object. Subject, do, does, not, V1 plus object. This is the structure of simple present tense in the negative form. And while there is V1, we should use their don't. We should use their don't. While there is V5, we should use their does not. And after that, main verb change into V1. Main verb always comes in V1 form after do and does. So, do is plural, does is singular. This is plural. V1 takes I, we, you, they, and all the plural subject. And V5 takes, this is the V1, and V5 takes he, she, it, and all the singular subjects. Like this, we have to change the negative. You can generate the sentence in this way. We can make the sentence in this way. After that, one example is given here. Example: Ram eats rice. It is V5. It's V5. So we have to use their does not. While there is V5, then we have to use their does not. Like this: Ram does not, and V5 change into V1. That is given in the structure. V5 change into V1. What is the V1 of the eats? The V1 of the eats is eat. Eat. Rice. Next example: they study English. Study is the V1. It is V1. While there is V1, we have to use their don't. While there is V1, then we have to use their don't. So we change like this: they don't study English. And like this, we can make the negative statement of the affirmative. And in this way, we can make the sentence and change them into the negative. And then yes no question. At first, we have to know that what is yes no question and how to recognize the yes no question. In yes no question, auxiliary verb come at first. Auxiliary verb, subject, after that main verb, then object, and the last step the question mark. And the structure of the simple present tense is do, does, subject, V1, object, question mark. This is the structure of the simple present in SNO form. And then while there is V1, we should use this structure: do, subject, V1, object, question mark. And while there is V5, then we should use the task, subject, V1, object, question mark. We have to use this structure to make the yes no question in simple present tense. Example: Ram goes to market. Ram goes to market. This is a V5. If there is a V5, then we should use the does subject V1 object plus question mark. Does Ram goes to market and question mark. This is a yes no form of simple present tense. They read a book. And yes no form is do they read a book. Like this, we can make the yes no form of the sentence. Today is this much. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channels and like it on it and ring the bell there. And next part we will teach tomorrow or in the next day. Thank you.